Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a simple oxygen mask using common household items. First, gather your materials. You will need a clean 2-liter plastic bottle, some flexible tubing, and a sharp cutting tool like scissors or a utility knife. Make sure your bottle is completely dry. This project is about creating a basic, temporary solution, so let's get started with these few essential components. Now, let's shape the mask itself. Take your 2-liter plastic bottle and carefully cut off the bottom section. This will be the main part that covers the nose and mouth. After cutting, it's really important to smooth down any sharp edges to ensure comfort and safety. You can use sandpaper or even a file for this. Next, make a small hole, about 1/4 inch in diameter, near the bottle's neck for your tubing. With the mask body ready, it's time to attach the tubing. Take one end of your flexible tubing and insert it firmly into the small hole you made near the bottle's neck. It's crucial to ensure this connection is as airtight as possible to maximize efficiency. You might use a bit of tape or a non-toxic sealant around the connection point if needed. Make sure the tubing is long enough, perhaps 3 to 5 feet, to connect to your oxygen supply. Finally, let's get this mask ready for use. Connect the free end of your tubing to a low-flow oxygen source. Carefully place the plastic bottle mask over the user's nose and mouth, ensuring a snug but comfortable fit. You can add elastic bands or string around the bottle's edges to create straps that go around the head, keeping the mask securely in position. Remember, this is a temporary solution for basic needs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.